Hello students, this is Sir Shankar and today we will discuss about and we will learn about the definite article. In the previous classes, uh, in day 1 and day 2, we have learned where we use the indefinite articles a and am. Today I am here with you to teach you where we can use definite article, that is the, where we can use this definite article the. Now some of the things are there that we must remember, we must keep in our mind while when we put this the. We know that this the is what? Definite article, and this the is used whenever we talk about a specific purpose or a specific person, when we are repeating again in the sentence, then we can use this the. That is one point is there that I have not written here in that point, but I am telling you that in that case also we can use this the. And first point I have written here on the board. First you look at the board, try to understand where and how we can use this the indefinite article. First you look at the board, pay attention and try to understand what I am going to say today. And after that I will give you time, then you can copy it down, this all the things whatever I have written on the board. Then after that, after finishing these points, I will give you homework also, and this time homework I'll give it together where you have to use both, like definite articles also and indefinite articles also. You have to use this, and wherever it is necessary you will put it. The first point, before the names of rivers, we have to use the rivers. That you must very important, you remember that. Like example also given, Yamuna, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, these are the name of the river, the Indus. So before the name of these rivers, always you put the. Again the seas, the Red Seas, the Black. So these seas, before the name of these seas also we have to use the. Again oceans, before the name of the oceans, before the name of the mountain ranges like the Himalayas, again, and groups of islands, before the name of the groups of islands, and before the name of musical instrument also, musical instrument, so to say, violin, tabla, harmonium, guitar. Before, these are the musical instrument. So before that you have to use the. Again, point number 2, before the names of newspapers, before the name of newspapers, before the names of newspapers we have to use the. And holy books also, before the name of the newspaper and before the name of the holy books we have to use the. Like example, the Bible is a holy book. The Gita is a holy book. The Hindustan Times, this is the name of a newspaper, so we have to use the Hindustan Times. Then the Indian Express also, it is the name of the newspaper. So you have to remember that or if you get the name of these newspapers or holy book, then you write the before that names. Again, point number 3, before common nouns. Before common nouns, which are names of things of their kind. Of their kind. Like some unique thing, you know. Unique thing means only one is there in this whole universe. So in this case, we have to use there. Again, like example, the earth. Earth is only one, the sun, only one, sky. There are many, but they are unique. We are not talking about the only one. If it is there, then we have to write there. No, if it is unique, no, then that also we can write. We are again here the world. You can use the. Again, point number 4. Before the names of directions. Again, we have to write this the or use this the and before the name of the directions. What are the directions are there? East, west, north, south. No, the east, the north. So these are the directions. So before this, the name of the direction, you always use the. Again, point number 5. Before the names of races and nations. Before the names of races, like Hindus, like again the English. No, these are the name of the races. Hindus, Muslims. No, you have to write the Muslims, the Hindus, and again nations. The English like defeated the France. Again, France is also a nation. So before the name of the nation, you have to use the. Again, point number 6. Before the superlative degrees of adjectives. Before the superlative degrees of adjectives. So before the superlative degree means in adjective there are 3 degrees are there: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So in positive degree, so to say an example, tall is a positive. And how we will make this comparative? Taller we can make by adding er and it become a comparative. Taller. Then superlative, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. So which one is superlative? Tallest is the superlative. So always remember, so whenever you get this superlative degree, then you always write what? The. You use the smallest, the tallest, the largest, the shortest, the highest. Always whenever you get a superlative degree, you use the. Then another point, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class. Whenever a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class, when we talk about something which that things, no, they indicate a whole thing, then we can use that before that names or before that noun the. Like here example is given, the lion is a fierce animal. So the lion, if we can write a also, but when we write a, then we are not talking about the whole lion, we are talking about only one particular lion. So that's why here is a fierce animal. It means all the lions are very fierce animal. Again, the dog is a faithful animal. All the dogs are faithful. It is not that only one dog is faithful, right? So when we talk about or indicate, when the singular noun is used to indicate a whole class, when it is used to indicate a whole class, then before that name or before that noun we can use the. The lion is a fierce animal, the dog is a faithful animal. So these are some of the things that you have to remember while using the definite article the and I hope you have learned today something what I taught today, and with this, my dear students, we have completed our third chapter, that is articles, and I will provide you along with this video some homework also. Let's see how many of you have understood what I taught you, and how many of you can do, or how many of you have any doubt. That also we will find out after what going through your homework. Okay, so today, my dear student, this much only. I will give you time so that you can copy it down, okay, and you can post the video, then write everything whatever is there in the board. So these points are very important. You must note it down in your copy and try to remember. Only these points will help you where we can use this or how we can apply this definite article. So today this much only. Thank you very much.